Hello guys, welcome back to PackWiseGear. So today what we are looking at is a series of tech pouches, which will go about from 1 liter to 2 liter, less than 2 liter, greater than 1 liter. So I have about 7 pouches here, which we are going to do in a series of 6 videos. And they are brands like Green Room 136, Lockbee, we have Evergoods, we have Aer, and Bellroy. These are the 5 brands which are competing in these series of videos. And we are going to do various packouts. We are going to do travel, we are going to do daily EDC, we are going to do a tech kit, we are going to do a first aid kit, we are going to do a pill, kind of a packout, like pills and vitamins. So it's going to be an interesting video. So keep watching PackWiseGear. Next one we have in this video series is Aer Simple Kit. This is in their Cordura fabric. Another pouch which I've been using for a long time. This is a great color. I love this olive dab green and with reverse coil zippers. So we're going to look into this and see how I'm using it and what we can fit in there. Hello guys, welcome back to PackWiseGear. So what we're looking here is a pouch from Aer. This is called a Slim Pouch 2, and this is their olive dab green color, and this is 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon, extremely strong, and the size we're looking at is 9 inches with 5-inch and 2-inch here. It can hold 1.5 liter, and the weight of this one is 0.37 pounds, and the price is $49. Okay, so I think this looks fantastic. I love this color. I usually use this one to keep my PackWiseGear YouTube cameras, and the lenses and stuff like that, a microphone from DJI, all that stuff kind of goes in this pouch. Using it for a while now. But let's see what it has. So let's look at the front pocket. Just kind of little nice pocket with their lining, but you can also put the stuff on the top if you want to fill it up. It can go in this direction as well. Reverse coil Y-kick zippers, good for weatherproofing. And then we have a loop here to hang stuff, and loop here as well, and then a big loop to hang it. And you can put the carabiners and stuff like that, external carry items here. Then the main compartment is just kind of opens up like this, and has just one main cavity, and then a kind of it's padded. Yeah, you could maybe you can put a tech gadget in the back over there. We'll do some tests soon. Then there's a zipper pocket right next to it, and then 2 mesh pockets on this side. On the right hand side, they're just 2 mesh pockets. Okay, so pretty cool layout here. So let's do a gadget test. So the Kindle fits well, and the Extinct reader also fits well in these pockets, or you can also put on this pocket. And let's see if we can do a pack out now and see what we can fit from Pro Kit to the Slim Pouch. Let's take these gadgets out. So here I have the Pro Kit, which I demonstrated in the other video. So let's put our power bank right here, AirPods right next to it. There's a pen loop here at the back as well, but it's Hypalon. It's not stretchy enough. So I'm gonna put in the zipper pocket here, I'm gonna put my Benchmade knife. And put actually all my tools, flashlight and the multi-tool. Actually, I'll put my multi-tool separated out so it doesn't scratch my light. Okay, and then I have my plod, my USB hub. Can go here, maybe? No. Put my USB hub at the back. Behind that pocket. And then my power 3-in-1 power cord in there. And then in the front mesh pocket, I'm gonna put my charger. So challenge I'm getting is I've already filled this pocket out. So you guys can see all the challenges in packing these packs out while I'm doing this, because that will give you guys an idea how this will look like for you. No, I cannot, because if I'm putting stuff in these pockets, the mesh pockets, I don't have a room left at the back. So that's challenging. So what I'm gonna do, I move my flashlight up here. That's where we are testing these things. So all my pens which were here, I cannot take them with me now until I figure out a way to get this flashlight. I might have to change my flashlight. So that's why we have different options. All right. So, oh, hold on. No. We don't have to do that. We have a front pocket on this one. So let's do that. Okay. All right. So now, one way to get the pens in here, dump them right in the pocket over there. Okay. So we're going to try that. So we're just trying the capacity. So we are coming from 1.8 going in 1.5 liter capacity. So let's open that up and kind of put them right at the bottom and see if we can close. We can't, but let's try. Okay, I'm gonna give a little bit of room here and there so it doesn't destroy my stuff. We were able to, guys. Oh my God, that was pretty good pack out. Okay, so yeah, we came from 1.8 liter to 1.5 and we were able to get it. Now, are we correct logically? It's a debatable topic, but I think we are okay because I am protecting my Benchmade. Multi-tool is also kind of segregated. Charger just sits on the top. In the mesh pockets, AirPods are protected. So I think logically we are okay. Okay. So, but it was a tight fit. But I'm just giving you, while we were doing this, you can see the pros and cons kind of building in my mind. So, anyways, so that was a pack out of this beautiful pouch. So let's talk about pro. I think with 1,680 denier Cordura ballistic nylon, we can see the materials on this is fantastic. I will still love and handle. Okay, and as you can see, as I'm filling up various pockets, I had to do a lot of compromises. Especially if you filled up the back pocket, you're pretty much compromised with a zipper in between because you have stuff in the mesh which is pushing the back, right? So you guys saw that. So, and then if you fill the whole thing up, I barely got something up front. Just put my flashlight in there. So you can see some pros and cons already happening in this pack. But again, I am going extra mile here. I'm really pushing these packs to get to the next level of the packing. But anyways, I think this is a great pack, and costs around $49. I think it's a big opportunity. It comes in different fabrics, different colors. So go and grab yourself one. Keep watching PackWiseGear.